Right, so we're passing by the castle now, and we are on the way to the Nordholmen Island, beautiful island on the Baltic Sea, where we're going to enjoy the moment, the nature, and going to fly FPV probably. Hello. Come on. No, stop.
Something in here ain't quite right. I see shadows late at night.
And on the left side, you see the castle from 1927. Belongs to a Swedish king, of course. Look at this, guys. That looks tasty. We take a small one. This is super sweet. I just stole an apple from the Swedish king, and there is his castle. I pay really big taxes here in Sweden, so I deserve for one apple, right? Thank you. It's time to start our drone again.
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Right, so we're passing by the castle now, and we are on the way to the Nordholmen Island, beautiful island on the Baltic Sea, where we're going to enjoy the moment, the nature, and going to fly FPV probably.
No ghost can haunt me, I ain't afraid. No memories to flicker and to fade. I don't even care which side of bed you choose. There's no impression where I have laid. I don't feel like going home, I ain't going home. I don't feel like going home. And if you're still okay, I love to stay. I don't feel like going home.
Right, guys, we are in the Nordholmen Island, and it's so many mosquitoes flying here around. And I've never been thinking about it, like you can have mosquitoes when you have salt water here.
Holy ground, no sacred temple, but forgive me if I get a little sentimental. I don't feel like going home, I ain't going home. I don't feel like going home. And if you're still okay, I love to stay. I don't feel like going home. I don't feel like going home. I don't feel like going home.
So this is the end of the island Nordholmen, and I have beautiful bench to sit on when we're gonna fly, or I'm just gonna sit on the rocks. I don't know, but that's for sure. We're going to fly here Neo2, and we're going to fly Avata to here. I'm gonna fly all of my drones that I bring today with me, and maybe we're going to chase that I would say this motorboats. We're on the end of Nordholmen Island. My FPV drone is already there, about 15 meters behind me. Nella is here, we have everything. So let's put the goggles on. Goggles on. Start recording. Manual mode. 28 camera tilt. Let's go.
When you change direction, you'll know what is meant by that. Where have you been going? So glad that I found someone to circle all the planets with now. Now that I've found you, I don't want no one else. It's a story to tell. Now that I've found you, I don't have to pretend. Everything just makes sense. A change in the seasons, a change in the wind. When you meet that person, you'll know what I mean by that. Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the halo. Yeah. We are what we yes, we rule our own domain. Yeah, yeah. Keep our heads up high, pushing on like a chugging train. Loving you makes the world spin faster. Yeah. Ain't enough days in the week for us to kiss. Oh, we are explorers, we're seeking higher places. Oh, pulling on the reins when we find our home again. So swinging, yeah, yeah, yeah. So swinging, so swinging, yeah, yeah, yeah. So swinging, so swinging, yeah, yeah, yeah. So swinging, so swinging, yeah, yeah, yeah. So swinging. Loving you made the land more beautiful.
That's it.
We are ramblers of our own device. In the dunes and there's the
And one more time, I just wanna say this drone is awesome and I still didn't crash.